Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we have this cool PIR LED floodlight. Let's do a quick unboxing of this. We're going to be testing this out this evening. Oh my god! Look at the size of this thing! Holy crap! This thing is tremendous! So this is I would suspect that is a 50-watt COB type of LED. This is made by a company that I cannot pronounce to save my life, so I apologize. It's FAISHILAN. So FAISHILAN, it almost sounds like FAISHILAN-ish. Elaine, no idea. But it does have a motion sensor on it, so it would be mounted such as this somewhere, and it is AC powered. It also offers the traditional motion sensing options on here. How much lux, how much the time, and the sensitivity of the motion sensor. We're going to be checking this out.
You guys can clearly see this thing is kicking some major butt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the light off manually so I can speed along this video. So let's turn this back on again and see how awesome this is. So this thing kicks butt, people. This is quite impressive. This is very, very bright. It's claiming 50 watts. I'll definitely believe it. I'm really impressed. It's lighting up the whole area, the whole pool area, so the kids won't be scared to go swimming, which is great. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.